Have you ever wanted to grow vegetables but you just don't have the space? Well, the Vegepod is the answer to your prayers. You can move it around, it's on wheels. It's really easy to plant up, everything's at waist height. It's also self-watering, and this cover means that you can accelerate your crops by at least 2 to 3 weeks. So you can easily move your Vegepod to the sunniest part of your garden or balcony and then get planting. You can grow carrots, beetroot, lettuces, all sorts of different vegetables and salad crops, and they'll be really convenient to pick, and you can grow them in the very best soil. Now, we filled this with a peat-free compost, which holds on to the moisture and already has nutrients built in. And now I'm gonna plant up this mobile allotment. Once you've planted up your Vegepod with your chosen crop, you can then put the cover back on. Remember, this cover protects your plants from pest and disease and also accelerates the cropping, so you keep it on for the whole lifespan of your crop. Next, fix on the irrigation. Now, this is gonna mist your vegetables, giving you the very best crops. So soon, you can enjoy an allotment in whatever space you have with vegetables you've grown yourself, with great nutritional content and 0 food miles.